TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. We'll talk about Google in just a minute, but we've got a gold market that's up over $200 and some in the last 7 trading days. This is some type of a blow-off move. How high it's going to go, I have no idea. I'm just watching the retracements as they occur. This reminds me so much of 1980 when gold topped on the 20th of July, it's 20th of January of 1980. $163. It had been 120, went to 863, and from 863 it went down to $212 or $222, I believe, in 2001, and none other than our sadly departed leader Tom O'Brien called it "This is it," and he did it on the exact day that gold bottomed in 2001 at around $230 an ounce. As you can see here, these little pullbacks that we're having are very minor. We're seeing the same thing in platinum and also palladium. So there's some type of a market going on like this. Now, folks, it's okay to try to pick a top once in a while, but you can't just keep fading it. I mean, this is insanity. In 2008, Larry, go back to there. In 1980, I was long gold. I was heavily long gold. I got of all gold positions on Elvis's birthday, January the 8th of 1980 at 700 and, I think 720, I believe. And everybody was very, very happy with the exception of 2 people. And they wanted that last $100 that cost them an absolute fortune. But all I'm trying to say is just be really careful in here, because when markets turn like this, it's going to be it's going to be pretty, well, it has been in the past. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be that way again. We'll talk about Google in just a minute, because it's having a really big, godsend day. Hold, if I can only find the darn thing. Hold on one second. Here it is right here. And you'll see here we've had, this is why you use stops, folks. I thought it was going to stop at 215. It's up 15 or 16, more than that today, dollars. And it's matching. This is the weekly, long-term weekly in Google. But they got a very favorable judgment, I guess, on their platforms, which tells you where the money goes. As old Gordon Gekko said, follow the money. We'll be right back, folks.